Hi, Jason Keeler here, and good to see you. Thanks for joining me as we look at this amazing new house in Newton, Adelaide. It's all completed, so you can buy this today, and that's fabulous. There's not many houses, brand new, not lived in, that you can buy straight off. What's good about the house? Well, of course, being end of terrace, we've got this side window here, which gives us heaps of natural light coming in. And that's brilliant. The front, a lovely quiet street, the front window bringing plenty of natural light into, and the side light window here at the bottom of the stairs, helping illuminate the staircase as you walk up, which is useful, and then also bringing more light into the lounge dining area. So open plan kitchen, stone bench top, double sink in stainless, dishwasher included, and the oven, of course, and gas hob. Then we have the dining area with double doors out to the outdoor living courtyard with a slimline tank and, of course, the double garage there under cover. Of course, you can move your cars out if you're having a party and have more room there for events, which is great. Then we have the lounge area here, and very relaxing and enjoyable, and a great central location. So lovely home. Let's take a look out these doors at the back, and fly screens as well out to this courtyard. Let's pop these open and take a walk out. Always got to watch the steps here as you're walking backwards. So lovely courtyard here. Sit here and relax. Enjoy your coffee, bacon and eggs in the morning, on the weekend. Then also at the back here, we've got this sliding door off the laundry area as well. And then you get the real idea of the size when you come back to the back of the garage here. We've also got some storage area to the right there. And of course, a double garage door with auto opener. So there we have it, side gate as well. Side gate, side access to the garden here. But the doors are great, it's a beautiful house, lovely place to live, and of course it's ready today. The keys are ready to pick up because the house is completed. In the master bedroom here with the ensuite, we've got this lovely balcony on the front and views out to the distance, which is great. Then of course the ensuite in here with the large shower. Let's take a look at that view out there. And so you're looking over the housetops out over the distance there. And in the master bedroom, here's that huge wardrobe system here. That side, his and hers. Let's walk on through, heading out this hallway in the master. And then we pass, of course, the staircase with this lovely window here, giving a lot of natural light. Past the bathroom with a large shower in there too. Into bedroom number 2. And this is a great spacious room. Love the size in here. And you can see the bed there. And then up in this window, we see the Adelaide Hills right up the top there. So let's see if we can get that there. Right up the top there, Adelaide Hills in the distance, which is a lovely view. Big bank of wardrobes here as well. So very, very practical. And plenty of hanging space, lots of room. Into bedroom number 3, and looking pretty good. Frosted window for privacy, and we see the Adelaide Hills up in the distance there. Big wardrobes here as well. So really nice home, great price point, and ready to go, unlike most properties around Adelaide, which aren't. They're all waiting to be built, and huge delays with a lot of builders. So this one is ready to go.